Hi, it's Cindy Novotny with your Wednesday Wisdom, and today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you exactly what happens when things don't always go as they're supposed to happen. So here you see me in my bar with some kettle chips, with some caviar, creme fraiche, and a tea cocktail with vodka. Now, what does this have to do with you in the IACC world? Well, it has everything to do with you. My friend Ed Libby, and look up Ed Libby Events, and you're going to know what I'm talking about, who does celebrity events and weddings all over the world, is in charge of everything that you see when you walk into Bellagio and the centerpieces and all the entire display. But what I learned from him is that when disaster happens, which happened at one point a while ago, and the toast points for the caviar and creme fraiche appetizers got burned, what did they do? Well, Ed pulled out the unbelievable, and they've got to be the Cape Cod kettle chips for sure. Pulled them out, took the creme fraiche, put the creme fraiche right on the kettle chips, took the caviar, put the caviar right onto the kettle chips, and voila. I'm sorry, but I had to have a bite. This is how you make magic out of misery. I can think of a million different people watching this that would throw up their arms, the toast points are burned, there'll be nothing to do because we don't look beyond the obvious. Now, what Ed Libby did back then has become a trend. Everybody is taking the Cape Cod kettle chips, putting on the creme fraiche with the caviar, and toasting with a great new cocktail. Hibiscus tea with a shot of vodka. Cheers. Let's spin it up, people. Let's get different, let's get innovative, and let's pay attention to when there's a problem, how do we come up with a creative solution? Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.